Welcome, dear friends, to our enchanting realm of relationships. You're tuned into Happy and Fulfilled, where we decode the art of nurturing love and understanding in every corner of your home. I'm your friendly guide through this journey, and today, we're unwrapping a topic that adds a pinch of magic to your life. Crafting an uplifting atmosphere at home, even when the winds of tension blow strong. Life isn't all sunshine and rainbows, but fear not. We've sprinkled this video with research-backed strategies that turn your dwelling into a sanctuary of harmony. So, grab your popcorn, and let's embark on this captivating adventure together. Floating clouds. Picture this, tension as a majestic thunderstorm. Our first spell to conjure positivity? Embrace the storm. Just as rain nurtures the earth, acknowledging tension opens the door to understanding. Segment 2, The Alchemy of Empathy. Researchers say that acknowledging emotions increases emotional intelligence, fostering deeper connections. Segment 2, The Alchemy of Empathy, Virtual Table. Empathy. Imagine sipping this elixir to transform tension into understanding. Segment 3, Unearth the Shared Treasures. Science reveals that active listening activates brain regions linked to empathy, promoting emotional closeness. Segment 3, Unearth the Shared Treasures, Mystical Garden. Our enchanted garden holds a precious secret, shared treasures. Uncover forgotten gems, like hobbies and dreams, to rejuvenate your connection. Segment 4, Enchantment of Gratitude. Psychology confirms that engaging in shared activities brings couples closer and reduces tension. Segment 4, Enchantment of Gratitude. Magical book. Gratitude. As you express gratitude, watch your home transform into a haven of happiness. Heartfelt gratitude. Scientific enchantment. Cultivating gratitude enhances relationship satisfaction and boosts well-being. And there you have it, fellow adventurers, a treasure trove of enchanted insights to manifest positivity at home, even amidst tempestuous moments. Remember, the tapestry of relationships is woven with threads of understanding and love. If these magical spells resonated with you, don't forget to tap that like wand and subscribe to our mystical realm for more enchanted wisdom on fortifying bonds and creating harmonious homes. Share your enchanting experiences and join the conversation in the mystical scrolls below. Until we cross paths again, keep weaving your own tale of love and serenity. This is Happy and Fulfilled, signing off. May your days be enchanted and your hearts forever light. At Happy and Filled.